Good morning, and welcome to today's episode of AM Inspiration, where winning your mornings is the first step toward winning your day. I'm your host, Clyde Lee Dennis, and I'm grateful to be with you for another moment of calm, clarity, and intention. Let's begin with today's grounding affirmation. I am grounded, present, and at ease. Take a deep breath and let those words settle into your body. Life has a way of pulling us in many directions. We're often caught between yesterday's memories, tomorrow's worries, and the constant noise around us. But peace, the kind that steadies your mind and softens your spirit, is always found in the now. This affirmation is a reminder that strength isn't found in constant motion. It lives in stillness. When you're grounded, distractions begin to fade. When you're present, your focus returns. And when you're at ease, you remember your natural state, calm, capable, and complete. Here's how to carry this affirmation into your day. In the morning, find a quiet moment. Sit with your feet flat on the floor. Breathe slowly, deeply. With each breath, say the affirmation to yourself. Let it anchor you in the moment and in your body. When you face disruptions, stress, noise, overwhelm, pause. Place your hand on your heart. Take a few steady breaths. Repeat the affirmation gently. Let it guide you back to center, back to clarity. And as your day winds down, find a peaceful space. Sit or lie still and whisper the affirmation again. Feel your body relax. Let the stillness around you become a sanctuary within you. Here's something simple and powerful. If you can, stand barefoot on the earth, even for a minute. Feel the ground beneath you. Let nature remind you that you too are rooted. Let it carry away the tension you no longer need. Here are two related affirmations to carry with you. I breathe in calm and exhale tension. And I release what I cannot control and focus on what I can. That's all for now, my friend. Wherever today takes you, move through it from a place of grounded peace and steady presence. As I always say, win the morning, win the day. And don't forget, enough winning days will lead you to the life of your dreams. Thank you for listening to AM Inspiration. I'll talk to you again tomorrow.